There's always stuff on cars, so I just kind of wonder what it's for.
Oh man, this is gonna be a late night. No, and I have to be up to 6:30 in the morning for work. I go in at 8. So hopefully that's the right bolt, you know.
Yeah, for sure. We tested it though with the thing.
Okay. So it's the right one. That's good. I'm about to pull one of the bolts out.
Okay. I mean, there's one flip, but
So is it the correct length from what it looked like? There.
I mean, as close as we would get.
Okay.
That was the longer option. The other one was actually shorter than that.
Shorter
I
than
told him
what?
to get the bigger one. That was the bigger one.
So it should stick out a little bit then?
Nah, that's probably gonna fit perfectly.
Oh.
Where's this connector at? Oh, sorry, dude.
Okay. Oh, explain the lines.
After work, move out the blow zone. There you go. At least I warned you first.
Thank you.
I'm only going to hand tighten it.
Oh.
It could have been Pompeii over here. Nah, it's Taco Bell shit. Whenever you have the liquid shits, that's Pompeii.
Like, I just hand tightened
Lava.
it. I just hand tightened it, so.
That one super
It-
shiny bolt.
It's
Yeah, I mean, that's.
gonna be.
Yeah.
I should be tight enough. We shouldn't have
Break her
to.
up? Oh, well, oh no, we still got something. Let's get up there.
Yeah.
Oh, no, that's not. Listen. Let's connect it. That's it. Well, 50 bajillion lights come on, you know something's not connected. So. The only thing we took off really was this. Those are all intact. That was unscrewed. This is all intact. We bring it down. That hose is back on already.
So we only need to now, then sooner or later, buy 3 fuel injectors, which is going to take a while because of how expensive they are.
How much are they?
Even with my discount,
They're just little pieces of plastic.
Oh, they're expensive. They're like.
80?
no,
More?
nearly 200 a pop.
Holy shit.
Hey, if I didn't work for Key Collision, it would have been like 225 a pop. I think it was.
Just little pieces of plastic.
They're very important.
I know.
I'm about to wait. Let me tell
I
you.
mean, in terms of manufacturing
Yeah,
costs
yeah.
to what we're paying.
Let me
They're making their money.
let me tell you. So, if I didn't work at Key Collision, hey, Philip, if I didn't work at Key Collision, you'll know how much it would cost per fuel injector?
How much?
$247.43. No, 247.83.
I was thinking they were paying like 50 to 80 bucks.
$247.83 if I didn't work at Key Collision.
I thought they cost like what are they called? Spark plugs.
But then I paid $198.26 for the fuel injector. And intake manifold.
I'll buy all 4 at once.
Yeah, literally. 50 or 80.
Yeah, so everything I got, I get on discount. To where, how much did I say? I think I sent you text and it was like 18% off I get through
Which really
Toyota.
isn't that much.
I think something like that.
Because tax is 10%. So
Yeah,
you're really just getting
'cause-
8%.
Yeah. With if I ever have to buy Ford parts, I get 28% off. So I pretty much
That's not bad.
get pretty much 18% off. Mm.
Freaky ass off.
Oh, it's gonna be a fun time with YouTube.
Let's see the moment of truth, guys.
It's gonna be a fun time with YouTube editing out all the music.
Okay.
That's gonna take a shit ton of time after it's uploaded.
Thing is, we're talking over it, so you probably could leave it in.
Yeah, well, I'll just
And just put no licenses. We don't have license to leave
Yeah.
in the description.
yeah, but I'll fuck around and find out. I don't give a shit because I've done it plenty of times. That does not sound good at all.
It sounds like you have an air leak.
Holy shit. It was shaking bad.
But I heard it. It sounds like it has an air leak. Like it sucked in air somewhere.
And it sounded like something squeaking.
But that could also be that it's sucking in the air.
Yeah.
It's squeaking through.
Should I just try to let it run?
Fuck no.
Okay.
I say fuck no.
Did you get a light when you started it? You
No.
want to follow that?
Don't even try starting it right now. Because I don't know what the fuck could happen. Because that did not sound good one bit.
It was shaking the whole car.
We need to check over everything, make sure everything's...
Let's take a little
We
break.
didn't take any. Yeah. I was
Yeah.
gonna say, we didn't take anything off.